Hi, everyone. So if you're watching this, you're probably an intermediate teacher in Dufferin Peel, and you'd like to set up your teacher account with myBlueprint. It's a pretty straightforward process. First thing you want to do is go to myblueprint.ca. It'll take you to a page that looks like this one right here. You are going to click sign up. And during the registration process, you're asked for an activation key. You put in our board acronym, DPCDSB. Click create account. I'm going to walk you through the process, and I'm going to use basically like an email that is not a board email, but we would be using a board email. So you use the activation key, and then you click on teacher. You decide what grade or grades, plural, that you are teaching. You go through all the interesting, basic stuff. Here, you're actually going to put your board email. So you can put your name, period, you can put the email that looks like this. But in this case, since I already have an account registered, I'm going to use basically a Gmail account. You are not going to use personal accounts. I'm only doing this so that I am setting it up, going through the process with us, right? So please do use your board email account. I'm only doing this to see all of the steps. So once you put your board email account here, create your own password that you're going to remember that has a little bit of strength to it. You're going to continue. Hopefully it lets me. What didn't I do right? One moment. I'm sorry. There we go. I will fix it. And here we go again. Thank you for bearing with me. I do these typically in a few takes. Hopefully this one makes it. There we go. So once I've gotten it to go, and again, I've used my board email, I can select my school, and your elementary school will be here. If there's an issue and you are not getting your elementary school listed here, you should probably start the registration process over again. Something is wrong. What we have found this year is if you use the / DPCDSB in the browser, which is a method you may have heard about, it's not going to work. It doesn't seem to work properly. So just go to the website and use the activation key, and then just find the school that you want to just find the school that you want to control. I just actually clicked a couple of schools, but you will drag the drop-down menu, and you will go ahead, you will bring it down with your cursor, and you will go ahead and find your appropriate school that you're actually working at, that you actually want to set an account up with. So let's just say, I don't know, let's just say I was setting up an account at St. Angela Marici. Add the school, continue, and you'll see I get a list of people from whom I can request the approval. I believe the easiest way to get the approval for our accounts is to request it from Martha Biaggi, who is our consultant for guidance, and she's pretty quick to respond. So let's just go that route. I will not continue because I'm not going to send her a request. I'm going to stop the process now. But there you go, pretty straightforward. And in my other video, you will explore how to set up a class and make assignments and all those wonderful things. And as always, if you have any questions or concerns, comments, or anything, get in touch with me via email or get in touch with me in person when I'm at your school, or get in touch with me on Twitter, and I will do my best to help you out. Hopefully that can get you started in creating your teacher account. Thanks a lot.